Hello friends, today we will discuss about conservation of momentum and energy. Our first topic is linear momentum. What is linear momentum? Linear momentum is a product of mass and velocity. Its SI unit is kg meter per second. Mass for kg and velocity is meter per second. It is a vector quantity. Now next is principle of conservation of linear momentum. What it states? It states that the total momentum of a system of a particle free from the action of external forces and subjected only to their mutual interaction remain constant no matter how complicated the forces are. यानी किसी भी सिस्टम ऑफ पार्टिकल का जो लीनियर मोमेंटम होगा वो किसी बाहरी एक्सटर्नल फोर्स से उसका कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता, इसका केवल एक दूसरे पर ही प्रभाव पड़ेगा। इस प्रिंसिपल को हम थ्योरी से समझेंगे, डिराइवेशन से समझेंगे। पहला फर्स्ट है फोर्स इज इक्वल टू डी पी बाई डी टी, यानी फोर्स जो होता है इट इज इक्वल टू रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम एंड इफ देयर इज ए नो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स देन एफ इज इक्वल टू ज़ीरो। दैट इज if f is equal to 0 यानी it means force is equal to 0, then rate of change of momentum will also be 0, and if we remove the rate of change of time then p is equal to constant. And this whole we will understand with an example. When a bullet is fired from a gun, then the momentum of a bullet in the forward direction is mv, and the momentum of a gun in the backward direction is minus mv. In this, the total momentum of a bullet and the gun which was 0 before the bullet was fired remained the same even after firing the bullet. That is, linear momentum is conserved. Linear momentum is conserved. mv plus mv is equal to 0.